And this room is actually being rearranged. We're putting one of the computers right here. Not this one, because this is my gaming computer. Not really gaming, but yeah, used for that type of stuff. So we're rearranging. The only thing we haven't moved yet are the couch, and then this area, which is surprising. Poultry likes to snap. Well, it did come from my premiere anyways. I'm just trying to... We are renovating this, sorry about that. Well, not the house, but we're just doing something with the room. This couch is gonna go right here. And I have no idea where my computer is gonna go. Or my computer area, at least. I'm just hoping it goes like something right here maybe. This would be great. Yeah, I did change out a couple of light bulbs just to put some brighter ones in the hallway. Actually, not that one, not this one, because that one goes to the fan. 2 LEDs here, and then just these 2 light bulbs. Just these are on a dimmer. I'm gonna do this for you. Yeah, it's low speed. I'm gonna turn off the light because I forgot to. Oh, we do have another LED in here. I want a ladder. The poultry does tend to snap sometimes, so don't worry. Because yes, it was on my premiere, and apparently my premiere's capacitor blew out this morning, and I'm still faintly smelling the smoke smell that was coming from the, just faintly, yeah. Because the premiere was from like 2005, I believe, I remember. Well, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this is a nice van. Do really like it. How does it pull like that? Sorry, yeah, the lights do that quite often. It usually does that when the AC is turning on. In fact, we have an AC vent right there. It is the current fastest in the house. Once all my Canon gets rehung, and if I buy that Litex Telluride. Eventually, I'm just hoping on converting this into like an empty room, sort of. Just leaving this fan on high, and it does wobble. The switch housing is also missing a screw, only because it just didn't want to go in. I'll show you. The central bill is also missing one, because apparently it fell out and hit something. Well, it fell into a launcher bag and I don't know where the screw is. I just like seeing this fan quite a bit. Yeah. I'm always a fan like this. Today's my last day of the 5-day weekend that we're having because Labor Day was yesterday. We were having an entire thing. I got Friday off. I got, obviously, Monday off. And I have today off as well of school. Supposed to be September 5th, I believe, I remember. And we started school on August 3rd. Yeah, this is a real nice fan.